Z boys. Juan said he wants to bang gears in his brother's Shelby. What's good, guys? You guys see it? Big lake show. I don't know if you guys can see me anymore, but big lake show, baby. You already know what it is. Game one down the drain. We got it. But to get a little cold start, we'll talk about what we about to do here today. Louie here, by the way. That was an interesting one. Them young LEDs. That was an interesting start, if I do say so myself. You guys see it, big lake show. And we on our way to a little JDM car meet, man. Yeah, we're gonna see some Japanese type cars, you know what I'm saying? Should be a good time. I'm about to head out, about to meet up with my boy Brian in the 1LE Camaro SS. Go watch that video if you haven't seen. We did a canyon run, I did a review on it, and we did some runs. But anyways, guys, about to head out, so I'm gonna check in with you guys in a minute. Haven't heard that one in a minute. My boy Shorty right here, man. See him? Big Shorty, big Brian. What up, though? All right, you know where it's at, right? Just follow me. Make sure we get right. All right, we good to go. Let's get it. Let's see here. Come on now. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, we're on our way to a little JDM car meet. But obviously all cars are welcome. Hopefully there'll be some dope cars. I'm expecting to see a Supra. I'm expecting to see a motherfucking Skyline. I'm expecting to see all types of dope JDM vehicles. Hopefully we get some runs in with some JDM vehicles, man. I haven't really ran any JDM yet for the most part, but I'm gonna stop with the chit chat, man. Once we get to the meet, I will pick the camera back up and we will go from there. All right. Big camber, boys. So where's your camber at, dog? There goes the Supra. Oh, there's a little turbo in there. That didn't last long. Well, the cops is kicking us out. Juan said he wants to bang gears in his brother's Shelby. Is that your homie Dylan? Z boys? Oh, it is a vet.
It's a vet, yeah. It's like an 80s.
80s vet?
The hood pops open like this and the wheel wells go with it.
That's cool. Alright, so I was just talking to myself for like a couple minutes. Fucking thought this thing was recording, but it wasn't. But yeah, we left the meet. The cop showed up, told us to dip out. So that didn't last very long. There's some cool cars there, man. Try to get a couple runs in with some JDM people down the line, you know? See what we could do. But right now we're gonna see if we can get a run in with Juan in his bro's Shelby. I don't know, I forgot what year it is, but he said it's 500 to the wheel. No, 500 to the crank, my bad. 500 crank, which is a little more than mine. Mine's 485 to the crank. But he has a couple passengers with him. He has 2 passengers with him. I don't know how much those Shelbys weigh, to be honest, but you guys already know the Scat isn't a light vehicle, so you know, might be around the same weight maybe with his passengers. So we'll see, man. It's a 6-speed. Obviously Shelby, I don't think they come automatic. my best power range, but that was a close one. Trying to get him to go 40. Go 40. Go 40. Huh? Alright, let's go 50 then. Got him on the 60. That's a little better for me. Yeah, 60 is a better roll for me. Those other ones were all like way out of my power bands. I was like 3,000 RPM. I need to be 4,100 RPM, and that's good for me. So 60s work. I can't really do 50s. It had to be like a 55. Maybe. But hey man, those are some good runs on the clean ones. Oh, maybe he can't do 40s because he said his first gear takes him all the way to 60. So man, that thing is quick though, man. Thing's quick. I'll keep the camera rolling, man. You never know. There's some beamers out here right now. Everybody's coming back from the car meet, so we might find something else on the way back home. Passing through Mexico, you know what I'm saying? We'll pass through for a little while, so we'll see if we can find anything else on the way. But yeah, man, I get a little run with the Shelby, you know what I'm saying? Now I gotta hit him up, see if we could go get a thumbnail. This is quick. Hell yeah.
The last one I was in 3rd gear. The 60-roll, it should have been in 2nd gear. And the other two should have been in 1st gear, but I was like, nah, it's not my car.
And I kept trying to tell you to go to 40.
Yeah, oh yeah, the 240s we did were like 45s on.
Yeah, that fucking shit sucks for mine, because I gotta be...
Well, dude, this thing should have been in 1st gear. I was in 2nd, yeah. So I was at 3,000 RPMs, dog.
Neither one of us were in good. Yeah, that's the same RPMs I was at.
Yeah.
That shit's quick though, man. Hey, let me get a thumbnail real quick, yeah? Unless you guys want to be in it. That's one thing I always forget, is to get thumbnails, dude. And then I'm always looking through the video, trying to find a good one, shit.
Fucking that last one, you fucking broke me hella hard.
60s I do all right from, but...
I threw it in 3rd gear because I thought it was like my car, because 60 rolls are in 3rd gear for me and my car, but it should have been in 2nd gear for this bitch.
Yeah, you don't even know how to... Like I'm saying, we should get a full video with that shit. Ask your brother, dude. Yeah, you know, we got a couple little runs in, but if you guys want to see a full video, you know, with some good rolls, with his power bands and my power bands at the right level, comment down below and we'll get it done, hopefully. And yeah, I explained that too in the beginning, like he had 2 passengers and shit. Albert's, you know, big guy, you know what I'm saying? He ain't small, yeah. Yeah, that would be dope though, bro, if we get a full video with that shit.
I'll talk to my brother. I'm pretty sure he'd be down.
Yeah, just let me know whenever, dude. I still got to get one in with Franco too.
For real. He got his shit back now.
All right then, well, I'll catch you guys later. All right guys. Later. Drive safe. See the Shelby. Like I said, comment down below if you guys want to see a full video, man. See Big Al? There it goes. Alright guys, we are out this motherfucker, but I am gonna put it in track, you know what I'm saying, and do all the things I gotta do, take the traction control off, just in case, because you guys already know, man. If you guys are familiar with the content, as I always say that, dude, in every video, if you guys are familiar with the content, But if you guys know, man, if you guys have been a part of the channel or seen a couple videos, a couple of these type of videos, then you know there's been times where we're headed home, I'm doing a little outro, and we just freaking get a random ass run, you know what I'm saying? It's happened more times than not. So I always make sure I'm ready. I always make sure the camera's on the head, you know what I'm saying? And we're good to go, man. So we'll see what happens on the way home. You know, you already know, if anything happens, I'm gonna get it on camera. Who's hot, who not? Who sell out in stores? Yes, sir, man. Well, you know I gotta turn that off so we don't get that copyright, but you know what I'm saying? It was a good little night, short-lived, but it was fun. We got a run in with the Shelby, that was dope. Like I said before, if you haven't entered the giveaway and I put this out before the giveaway is over, just look at my subs. If I'm over 10, then it's over. If I'm not at 10 yet, then it's still running. So go to the IG and get in on that, man, while you still can. $350 value. We got a lot of stuff on the way, people. We got a whole lot of stuff on the way. Big things coming, man. I'm excited. We got literally stuff on the way, you know what I'm saying, that I ordered. And it's gonna add a lot to the channel, I'm telling you. This channel's about to blow up, man. It's been doing good, but after I get these few little things done that I got in the works, this channel's really about to blow up, and I owe it all to you guys that have been with me from the start. It's crazy that I'm only 6 months in and I'm already saying all you guys that have been with me from the start, we're still at the start, man. We are still at the start. So everybody that's with me right now, man, you guys are all part of the journey, you know what I'm saying? I know people do road to 50K, road to all that other shit. We're on the road to 100K, man, because we're gonna get there real quick. I think another 6 months, we're gonna be at 100K, man. I think another 6 months, we're gonna be at, for sure, we're gonna be at 100K. I'm not gonna say we might be. I think for sure we're gonna be at 100K. We might even be more than 100K. Damn, that fucking bump, man. Whoever made that bump, your mother's a bitch. That bump fucking sucks right there. But without a doubt, you know what I'm saying, as the man himself, the notorious B.I.G. Ooh, we got a little Subi right there too. See what the Subi's trying to do, man. But yeah, man, we're gonna be over 100K in another 6 months. So it took me 6 months to get to 10K, and that's the hardest growth, is in the beginning. Pause. But now that we got the ball rolling, you know, man, here's my turn right here. I don't know where that Subi's going. But now that, like I said, now that we got the ball rolling though, we're just gonna continue to grow, and we're gonna continue to go up, baby. You know, I got that gaming channel coming. The gaming channel is on the way. So you guys go hit that up. I'm actually gonna make it already. I'm waiting for the new Xbox to come out. I'm trying to get the new PS5 as well. So I'm gonna have both of those. I'm gonna be streaming on Twitch. I'm gonna be streaming on YouTube. And I might even do Facebook as well. You know what I'm saying? So whatever one you like the best, you know, watch them all. You know what I'm saying? But whatever one you like the best, I'm gonna be doing at least 3 of them. So I'll let you guys know once that channel is made, and you guys go over there, give me a good little start with it, because we're gonna have that popping as well, man, if you guys want to go get at me on the gaming tip. But yeah, guys, we got a whole lot of stuff on the way, man. I'm excited. It's gonna be crazy, you know what I'm saying? All right, my bad, waking people up and shit. It's already almost 10 o'clock on a Wednesday. Lakers won tonight though, baby. You should still be up celebrating and stuff. But nah, man, I'm just hype right now, man. I'm just hype because I already know where this journey is leading, and it's to greatness, man. And that's all thanks to you guys, man. I appreciate you guys so much. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.